Okay. The blue light here, it says normal. It's always going to blink blue, like a heartbeat. If the light ever turns red, that means your water is going to get cold. You call this number right here. Okay. Not Home Depot. They're not going to be able to help you out. You have to call Fast Water Heater. Okay? Mm-hmm. So, normally we leave it on hot. That's 120 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you want it hotter than that, ABC is 5 degrees over. If you guys go on vacation, you turn this knob, you put it on vacation. It can be gone for a week or two. That way the water stays lukewarm. You guys get home, put it back on hot, and you'll have hot water. If the thermopile ever goes out, you turn this knob, you put it on pilot, press the gas in, spark here rapidly until this thing blinks blue. When it blinks blue, stop sparking it, let go of the gas, and adjust it back to hot. And it'll start by itself. If you have any issues, do not call PG&E because they don't know how to use our water heater. You call this number. We'll come help you out. This is your T&P valve. Quick release. T&P going out. Pan line, if the water heater ever gives out, instead of making this wet or full over here, it's going to drain outside. This is T&P temperature relief valve. That's your water shut off valve. Up there, that little steel plate, that's your fire stop. That has to be installed because you were too close to the sheetrock. Everything is set to go. No need to flush that every year. Self-cleaning.
Okay.
Okay? Mm-hmm. Like I said, anything else happens for a water heater, make sure you give us a call and we'll come out. You don't have to call this number here. This is only for the manufacturer. You have to call this number right on this label.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay? And whoever comes in service a water heater, if something happens, make sure they document it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because sometimes sometimes our computers crash and we ain't gonna know anything. We don't know who was out here or what.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna do some caulking in the back. That's where you'll see the drain.
Okay.
I'll show you. So I'm gonna put some caulking around the holes here, so nothing gets in. This is for your pan line. This is for your T&P.
Okay. The water just flowed.
Yeah.